Hey guys, Tony again from 99 Sticks. Beautiful day here in the Northeast today. Bright sunny day. I thought I was going to come out and get some good content for you guys, make another video. My plan was to go hit the New York City skyline and get some good footage of the car and then do a stick review at a nice cigar lounge overlooking Manhattan. But my convertible top is stuck. So yeah, as always with the Porsche 996, if it's not one thing, it's the other, right? So last time it was a check engine light. This time it is the convertible top will not go down. I hit the buttons and the deck lid opens up, but it won't go down. So again, I don't know, that kind of cramped my style. I don't know that I want to go make content on a beautiful day with the top up, right? So I think I'm just gonna go find a nice lounge here locally and do a quick little stick review, go for a little ride. I'll enjoy the car a little bit driving anyway, but yeah, not much footage with the top down, which is what I wanted. That's the whole point of getting a convertible. So anyway, if anybody knows what the deal is with these tops, I mean, I'm looking all over YouTube, looking at different videos. It seems like most guys just refill the reservoir with hydraulic fluid and that does it, but I don't get how that's the simple fix. I don't understand what, you know, if there's fluid in there, what replacing the fluid is going to do. But anyway, I'll give it a shot. I'm going to probably take it to a mechanic here at some point. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to be pulling up to Cigars International. This is Cigars International. It's a pretty big cigar lounge here in Bethlehem, PA. They have a catalog. They're a pretty big catalog store. They have a few locations, but they're a huge cigar place here in Bethlehem, PA. They usually have a pretty good selection. Very well-known spot. There's sometimes other Porsche guys here and Corvette guys. I don't see anybody here right now, but we'll go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, I'm at my Drew Estates section here. You know I'm a Drew Estates guy. I'm gonna go for something new out of their line that I had the other day. Let's see if I can find it. So I'm looking for a quick smoke today. I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna do this Leather Rose by Drew Estates right here. Leather Rose. I'm gonna give it a shot. It's new, it's small, and I heard good things about it. Let's see what it tastes like. Hey guys, Tony 996 again. I'm here at Cigars International in Bethlehem, and I just met up with Adam. You want to be on camera or not?
Sure.
This is Adam.
How you doing, guys?
How are you? This is friend Pete.
That's my dad, Pete.
Dad, Pete.
Yeah, I'm Dad. That's it.
All right, Adam and Pete here. We're outside of Cigars International, and I just came across them in the lot, and they have this beautiful car. Let me show you. This is a Delorean, probably best known for the movie Back to the Future, right?
Yep.
Gorgeous car.
Thank you.
Gorgeous car. Adam was just telling me he's a car enthusiast. He's a Corvette guy. He's got a couple of very nice Corvettes. So here's the side-by-side. So I don't know if you guys heard that, but Adam was just telling me that the frame is also stainless steel on this car. So it's a complete restoration, and it's very rare to have a stainless steel frame. So again, gorgeous car. I mean, you could just tell by the condition. This is like, it's like a time capsule, really.
Thank you.
What year is it?
This is an 81.
1981. I mean, wow. It looks like it just came out of the factory.
And finished with it under the hood shot.
Gorgeous car.
Thank you. It doesn't go out, so.
Also a rear engine. We're going to take a look. Wow.
So.
Wow,
Everything's
this
been
is
powder
beautiful.
coated and redone.
This is beautiful. Look at this, guys. You could tell you're passionate about your craft here. This is amazing. Hey guys, Tony here. So as you can see, the top is up. Another beautiful day, but no such luck. This thing's not moving. So I went to a Cars and Coffee this morning at the Lehigh Valley Mall. There's a couple of cars. I'll put some pictures in this video, but I made a phone call. I'm gonna take it to a place where they're gonna review the top and fix it, and then I might as well go ahead and get an oil change and check all the fluids and stuff. But that's where we're at. Check out the pictures of the car show this morning.